Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best irons for clothes you can buy right now. I've compared 5 popular options to help you find the right balance of steam performance, ease of use, durability, and value, without wasting your money. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Rowenta Iron, Focus Excellent Stainless Steel Soleplate Steam Iron for Clothes, Retractable Cord, 400 plus micro steam holes, powerful steam, LED display, 1750W ironing clothes, cord reel, red DW 5433. If you're looking for a premium steam iron that delivers professional quality results at home, the Rowenta Focus Excellence is one of the strongest options available. Designed for people who iron regularly, this model combines powerful steam performance, a durable stainless steel sole plate, and thoughtful convenience features that make tackling wrinkles faster and easier. With 1,750 watts of power, the iron heats quickly, so you spend less time waiting and more time getting through your laundry. It also produces a strong steam burst and vertical steam, making it useful for removing wrinkles from hanging garments, jackets, curtains, or dresses without needing an ironing board. The main drawback is that it's slightly heavier than many budget irons, which some users may notice during long ironing sessions. However, that extra weight actually helps press wrinkles more effectively, reducing the amount of pressure you need to apply yourself. Overall, the Rowenta Focus Excellence is an excellent choice for homeowners, professionals, and families who iron frequently and want premium steam performance, durable construction, and features that make ironing faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 2. Chi Steam Iron for Clothes with Vertical Steam Burst, Professional Grade, Titanium Ceramic Sole Plate, 400 plus steam holes, 1700 watts, 3-way auto shutoff, 8-foot cord. The Chi Steam Iron brings the same attention to heat technology that made the Chi brand popular in the hairstyling industry, and it translates that experience into a powerful, easy-to-use clothing iron. If you want crisp dress shirts, wrinkle-free business attire, or neatly pressed everyday clothes, this iron offers the performance needed for consistent results without making ironing feel like a chore. One of the biggest highlights is the titanium ceramic sole plate. It glides smoothly across fabrics, helping prevent snagging while distributing heat evenly across the surface. This makes ironing everything from cotton shirts and jeans to delicate blouses much easier. Safety is another area where this model performs well. The 3-way automatic shutoff helps provide peace of mind by turning the iron off if it's accidentally left unattended in certain positions. The extra-long 8-foot cord also gives you greater flexibility around the ironing board, reducing the frustration of constantly repositioning the cord while working. The biggest limitation is that, like most premium steam irons, it performs best when cleaned regularly to prevent mineral buildup if you live in an area with hard water. Aside from routine maintenance, there are very few significant drawbacks. Overall, the Chi Steam Iron is an outstanding choice for busy professionals, families, students, and anyone who wants fast heat-up times, smooth ironing performance, powerful steam, and dependable safety features. If you iron clothes on a regular basis and want a premium ironing experience, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Steam Iron for Clothes with Retractable Cord, Vertical Steaming, Anti-Drip Design, Spray Mist and Auto Clean Button, 1200W. If you're looking for an affordable steam iron that covers all the essentials without unnecessary complexity, the Black Plus Decker Steam Iron is a dependable everyday option. It's designed for people who regularly iron work clothes, school uniforms, dress shirts, or casual clothing and want a reliable appliance that's easy to use and easy to store. One of its most practical features is the retractable cord. Instead of wrapping the power cord around the iron after every use, you simply press a button and the cord retracts neatly into the unit. It makes storage much cleaner and helps reduce wear on the cord over time. If you've ever dealt with tangled cords in a laundry room, this small feature quickly becomes one of the iron's biggest advantages. Black Plus Decker also includes an anti-drip system that helps reduce water leaks when ironing at lower temperatures, preventing unwanted water spots on delicate fabrics. The spray mist function provides extra moisture for stubborn wrinkles, while the self-clean button helps flush mineral deposits from the steam system, extending the life of the iron and maintaining consistent steam performance. The ceramic soleplate glides smoothly across most fabrics, helping reduce snagging and making ironing less tiring during longer sessions. While it performs well for everyday use, it may require a few extra passes on heavier fabrics like thick denim or multiple layers of linen compared to more powerful premium irons. Overall, the Black Plus Decker Steam Iron is an excellent choice for students, families, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use steam iron with convenient features at an affordable price. It delivers dependable everyday performance without overcomplicating the ironing process. Number 4. Omega Cordless Iron for Clothes, 1500W Wireless Steam Iron with Ceramic Soleplate, 360-degree power base, auto shut-off, self-clean, anti-calc, 3 temperature settings, 11.84-ounce water tank. If you're tired of fighting with a power cord while ironing, the Omega Cordless Steam Iron offers a refreshing alternative. Its cordless design gives you complete freedom of movement, making it much easier to iron large items like bed sheets, tablecloths, curtains, and oversized garments without constantly repositioning the cord. For anyone who finds traditional irons restrictive, this feature alone can completely change the ironing experience. The iron uses a 360-degree charging base that quickly reheats the unit whenever it's placed back on the stand. This allows you to work efficiently while still enjoying the convenience of cordless operation. The 1500-watt heating system reaches ironing temperature quickly, and the ceramic soleplate glides smoothly across fabrics to reduce friction and help eliminate wrinkles with less effort. Safety is another highlight. The automatic shut-off feature provides peace of mind if the iron is accidentally left unattended, making it a practical choice for busy households. The main trade-off with any cordless iron is that you'll occasionally need to return it to the charging base during longer ironing sessions. While this only takes a few moments, users accustomed to continuous corded ironing may notice the difference. Even so, for most home users, the added freedom and flexibility easily outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Omega Cordless Steam Iron is an excellent option for homeowners who value mobility, convenience, and modern features. If you want an iron that's easier to maneuver and more comfortable to use, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Pristine Steam Station Max Ceramic Soleplate Steam Iron for Clothes 1500W, 50.7-ounce removable water tank, fast heat-up self-clean, auto shut-off, professional iron steamer for ironing. If you regularly iron large amounts of clothing, the Pristine Steam Station Max is designed to make the job significantly faster and less frustrating. Unlike traditional steam irons with small built-in water tanks, this model uses a separate steam station with a large 50.7-ounce removable water reservoir. The powerful 1500-watt heating system produces strong, continuous steam that penetrates fabrics more effectively than many standard irons. Whether you're pressing dress shirts, business suits, jeans, linens, or thick cotton garments, the extra steam helps remove stubborn wrinkles with fewer passes, saving both time and effort. The biggest drawback is that the separate steam station takes up more storage space than a standard steam iron, making it less suitable for very small apartments or limited laundry areas. It's also more than most casual users need if they only iron occasionally. However, if you iron frequently, value professional-level steam performance, or simply want to finish laundry faster, the Pristine Steam Station Max delivers outstanding power, convenience, and efficiency. It's an excellent investment for anyone who wants smoother results with less effort and fewer interruptions. That's my roundup of the top 5 best irons for clothes. Whether you're ironing a few shirts or handling laundry for the whole family, there's a great option here for your needs and budget. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.